This video will explain exome sequencing, a type of genetic test. In the past, we had to examine each of the genes one by one for the genetic mutation that was the cause of a person's genetic condition. Now we have the ability to look at almost all of our 20,000 genes at one time using powerful computers. This is called exome sequencing or whole exome sequencing. An exon is the specific portion of a gene that we believe is most important for telling our body how to function and how to build working parts. This is where most genetic mutations occur. The exome is all the exons of all 20,000 of our genes. So instead of looking at the entire gene, we can look only at the regions where we think most genetic mutations occur. For instance, consider a time when you were reading a complex textbook. Now, what if you could read only the important words or concepts that you knew you would be tested on? This would take much less time to read, and you would be able to get the same important information. Similarly, with exome sequencing, we're able to read only the parts of the genetic information that we know are important, or the parts that are most likely to have the genetic mutations. A doctor might recommend exome sequencing for patients who've had extensive genetic testing but a diagnosis has not yet been identified. Patients who very likely have a genetic condition based upon family history, but the exact diagnosis is unclear. Or for patients who have a genetic condition that could be caused by one of many different genes, and the cost of testing each gene individually is greater than the cost of exome sequencing.